Video. In today's tutorial, we're going to continue our series of our NPC dealer, who we'll have to give this part in the last episode that we made. And we'll give him it, and then he'll give us double jump, which is going to be the next video. But in today's video, we got the NPC to actually work, interact with him and everything. In the next video, we'll get the double jumps, and then, yeah. So, first thing you want to do for this one, you have your tool right here. Mine is just going to be a part. I'm just going to show you guys real quick. So, I named mine part. You can name it whatever you want, but just know, it can be sword, gun, whatever. So what I did first was, let's make our model, our dealer. So this is mine. I added a script into him. You can copy this real quick if you want. Make sure you have an animation side of it as well, and make sure your humanoid has an animator. And basically, it's just gonna play an idle animation just to give your game some life. Mine's the R15, so make sure you give him R15 animation. If yours is R15, if yours is R6, then use the R6 animation, which is just the rig model. It's optional, you don't have to do that, but if you want to give him animation, that's how you do it. So inside the humanoided rope part of our dealer, I call mine double jump dealer, by the way. Name it whatever you want, because we're going to reference this later though, so make sure it's consistent. Inside of our humanoid rope part, humanoid root part, I added a attachment, and this attachment is just the attachment for our proximity prompt. So add a proximity prompt inside of the attachment. The reason why I did an attachment and not a part is because attachments are just so easy to configure. If I put the attachment all over here, the prompt will be over here. You can just mess. It's a lot more customizable and easier, basically. So yeah, I called mine prox attach. Call it whatever you want. Then inside of dealer replicated storage, I made a module script called dealer module. This is just basic data for the dealer, actually. So inside of it, make it local dealers is equal to a big table. This is our module dealer, return dealers. And basically the table of dealers, which is our module, is just more tables. So I made double jump dealer is equal to a big table of the description, starting description, all of these. So I'll quickly go brief right through all of these. So desk is basically what he tells you when you first interact with them. He tells you, mine says, you want double jump? Go fetch me the part tool, because that's the name of the tool. So whatever you want. Remember, this is a string. Give me whatever you like. Started. So once we actually start it, this is going to be the description now. So when you go back to him, he'll ask, hey, do you have that part for me? Completed is when you actually complete it and you go interact with them, he'll say, thanks for the part. Enjoy your reward. And then I have these two booleans. If you started the quest and if you completed it, false by default. And then this is optional tool name. I'm going to use this in my script. So yeah, the name they have to give him is part. Then that's really about it for that. Then inside of UI, make your dealer UI for when he actually speaks to you. That's how mine looks like. I called my frame main, close button, and the give button, so we can close the frame and give him our actual thing. And then this is our text label that we're gonna manipulate through the module script. So yeah, and this is gonna pop up every time he talks to you. So I'm actually gonna just give you guys a brief demonstration of how this looks like before we get started with the code, or the actual big code is what I mean. So yeah, go up to him, interact. You want double jump? Go fetch me the part tool. And then I made it 2 seconds after. He says, go give me that part. Then close. Hey, do you have that part for me? I try to give him it. I don't see the part tool with you. Hey, do you have that part for me? Pick up the part. Hey, do you have that part for me? Awesome, thank you. Try to do it again. You already gave me the part. Awesome, there we go. And then basically, from that point on, this is when we're going to do our double jump, but that's next episode. So yeah, make sure you have these buttons, the text label, your frame, and then the dealer label, or the dealer handler, sorry, the client script. And this is the script. I'm going to paste this in the comments for you guys. This is just about everything. Yeah, I made a reference to the NPC, which is our dealer. Replicated storage. The prompt inside the dealer. Our GUI right here. Then in the main frame. Our buttons. The text label right here. And then this is the most important part, the dealer module. We're going to have to actually require it from the script. Because, module scripts. So I just require replicated storage. Wait for dealer module. Then the player, which is us, because we're going to use that later. Now prompt.triggered, when we connect it to, whenever it's triggered, we're going to say this function. Basically, mainframe not visible is equal to not mainframe not visible. This is just so we can spam E and it'll become visible and not visible. Then right here I have if dealer module that double jump dealer quest started is equal to false. So if we haven't started a quest yet, then it's equal to true. See that? So now the quest is started basically once we open the thingy. And then mission quest text is equal to the description right here that we made. And then right here after 2 seconds I use task.lay, not task.wait, just so we can write code after this and it won't get messed up. I just say go give me that part, then maybe we can do like a longer time or a shorter time. And then also if it's you already started the quest and we go to trigger it again, because remember this runs every time we trigger the prompt, we're gonna see is did you complete it? Okay, if you did, then we're gonna make the text equal to completed desk, and then we're gonna return right there, not run any code. But if we didn't complete it, then right here it's gonna be the started description instead. See that? It'll be this one right here. Then our close button activated, pretty easy stuff. Mainframe not visible is equal to false. And then this one, our give button deactivated, connect the function. Local tool name is equal to the dealer module, the tool name right here. And then local tool is equal to the player.backpack. Make sure you actually have it in your inventory. Find first child of the tool name. So look for, in my case, part. So it's gonna look in your backpack for part. And now we're gonna say if dealer module quest started is true. So if you started the quest and you press give, then we're gonna say if tool, then it's gonna tell us that we have the tool, and we're gonna destroy the tool. The destroying of the tool is gonna simulate, you know, us giving him the tool and whatnot. Then we're gonna say dealer module that double jump dealer quest completed is equal to true. So we completed our quest. Then it says awesome, thank you. And then if dealer module that double jump dealer is already completed, then you gave me the part. Then we're gonna say, yeah, and we're gonna return quick too. And then if none of these happen, oh no, sorry. Yeah, if it's true, then we're gonna see if we have the tool. If we don't have the tool, then we're gonna run this. So if it's already true, so in our else statement, if we don't have the tool, we're checking, okay, what reason does he not have the tool? Is it because he already completed the quest and gave it to him? If that's the case, then you already gave me the part and return. And then if it's not the case, then it'll just run this right here. I don't see the part tool with you. And then print. Yeah. And that's about it, really. And we'll just test one more time. I'm just gonna pick up this part. Awesome. Thank you. You already gave me the part. I'm gonna go back. Thank you for the part. Enjoy your reward. Thank you for the part. Enjoy your reward. And yeah. So in the next video, that's pretty simple, easy stuff. In our next video, we're gonna do the actual jump script. So I'm probably gonna do it like when he actually gives you it. If the quest completed is true, I'll say once we give it to him right here, we'll fire an event, bindable event or something, and we'll make it like a true value, or even better, we'll make it a function. It'll return true. Yeah. You know what? We can make that right now. Couldn't we do that right now? Maybe next video. I'll probably make a function, and it's gonna return true or false, depending on if we actually have the quest completed. So then, yeah, that's really about it. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, actually too, you might notice that it restarts every time. Yeah, I'll make the next video in the script for the double jump. If you, I'll make it basically like you already did this quest, you're good. Like if we'll make it if we have double jump, then the quest is completed. We're fine. You know. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching.